What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Final Boss Garage. Today is a day I've been waiting for like 5 or 6 years. I bought a set of louvers off Craigslist for $50, and I never had hardware for it. And I found somebody online on Facebook. I don't remember his name. I will add it here when I find out, though. But he was able to design some hardware with his 3D printer. So I picked up a set off of him for $140 with PayPal fees. I know you might think it's kind of steep, but I've been searching for hardware for 5 years, and anytime it comes up, it's honestly anywhere from like $100 to $300. So, and it might be missing stuff. So he put a really nice kit together. Let me go ahead and show you what I got. All right, so I got a box. Came with some instructions, which is really nice. I drew it out. Gives you step-by-step instructions on how to install it. And these are all 3D printed parts, so it's all plastic, but with enough pieces, it spreads out the weight of the louvers pretty well. So here's an overview. Everything feels pretty solid. Definitely feels like I could break it if I wanted to, but it comes with everything you need. You got all your hardware. Comes with all your, I think these are called Zeus fittings or speed fittings. I don't know. I forget what they're called. But it gives you everything to install them. So that's going to be the goal today, is get some louvers on this. This is the set I bought. These are 86 specific OEM louvers. They have the opening for the third brake light. They have a rattle can paint job, and they have some slight peeling right there on a dent. But I've been looking for hardware for a while, so today we're gonna get these put on. All right, so the instructions say to do a dry fit first, put the louvers on, and then you want to tape up where the hinges go. So this is where the top hinge goes. So I taped those sides over there. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna bolt that on. That way I can figure out just how low or high this hole goes. And then I'll tape those off, and then we'll add the brackets. All right, so I have the top two brackets all done. All I did was clip them in right here and then slid them all the way up here to where the tape is. And then you can see where it's bolted in up top. It's bolted in super lightly, enough for it to move around. The louvers have these weird little arm thingies. I don't know if I'm using them right. Seems like a really good way to accidentally scratch your paint or whatnot. Okay. Yep, 6 pieces. And then in the kit, you also get rubber bushings or washers, whatever you want to call them, just to make sure the fit's perfect. Instructions say to do it without them first and only add them like shims as needed. So I'm going to go ahead and see how exactly I want this, and then I'm going to go ahead and tape my spots. So installing the pieces is really super easy. They literally just clamp on the side of the window seal. So you just tuck them in between the louver, and then the part on the side just pinches around the window. So and you slide it down, and then that's the hole right there. Okay, so I thought this back piece was warped, but I just realized that these back brackets are a 2-piece design, and you loosen this and you can adjust the height of your back louver blade. So this guy, he's really engineered it all. So now that I got it set, I can tighten this, and everything's gonna be good to go. It feels really sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's going anywhere at all. The drag strip, we're going 115 miles an hour, so that's the questionable part. That's like, do I wear these to the drag strip? All right, guys, we are driving around, going for a test run, checking durability and whatnot. As you can see, the view from behind me, I'm holding the camera up right by my roof that's the angle. Plenty of visibility. It's not obstructed at all. It's just lines. So, but we're gonna go ahead and we'll give her a couple ribs and see how well she holds on. Alright guys, she's all on there. Took it on some freeway drives. Everything sounds stable, no annoying rattling or anything. Super happy with the product. Yeah, everything came out great. I don't think I'm going to change anything. I might add some washers up here on the top though. But other than that, super happy. Came out really good. Alright everybody, that's it for the video. I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. I'm going to link his name in the description below. You can catch him on Facebook. I think I found him on Mullet Militia or IROC Z Group on Facebook. So 140 bucks is right now, that's his price. But he's just getting them started, so they might get more expensive. I don't know. They might get cheaper, who knows. But really solid product, definitely an answer considering hardware for these louvers is just impossible to find. But thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and see you next time.